Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today I'm going to be sharing a hair care haul with you guys. I've got a ton of products here that I really want to share with you guys. A couple of them I have already started trying. I took a little sneaky peek so I can kind of give you guys a couple of thoughts and opinions on those. So yeah, that's going to be what we're including in today's video. As you guys can tell, I have bleached my hair. So I've got a lot of products here that's supposed to be helping me keep hydration and keep my curl pattern intact. So if you kind of want to see what I've got and what I've got to say, then please keep on watching. But before all of that happens, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, much appreciated, and then go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. You know exactly where it is, as well as go ahead and follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _ it's Gilly. Now let's jump into today's video. Ooh! That was a bit dramatic. So first and foremost, just kind of jumping into some random products here. I did get this purple shampoo. These two right here, these are from Redken. I've got the color extendage blondage. This is the color depositing shampoo and conditioner. So I have the mega sizes of these because Ulta was having like their jumbo sale, and I ended up getting both of these on sale for like $27 each, I think, and normally they might be 30 something, maybe $40 each. So I went ahead and just scooped up the two big bottles because they were the same price as the little bottles, but obviously on sale. So I actually have been trying these products out for a while. I use these on my hair once a week just to kind of keep the blonde tint up. I don't really know how to refer to bleached hair, but I've been using these once a week to keep my highlights popping and going because I really like my hair looking extra blonde. So I really love these a lot, and after I use them, like, you can definitely tell that they have toned my hair, and it looks way blonder. So it's been almost a week since I've used this, so you can see my hair is looking a little darker, but after I use these, let me tell y'all, my hair is blonde. Okay y'all, so just moving on to another favorite here. This is gonna be the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner with avocado and Australian jojoba oil. This is definitely like one of my favorites. I have actually purchased this particular like quick conditioner about 4 times now. This is like my 4th or 5th bottle. I love what this does to my hair even before it was bleached, so that's kind of why I got it again. I don't really wash my hair a lot with like shampoo, so I condition my hair more than anything else. And after I use this, let me tell y'all, my hair is so soft. My curls are like actually defined. I really like this shampoo, or sorry, conditioner. I think this might have like, yeah, it does have a couple silicones in here. However, I find that the silicones they're using in here are light enough where it doesn't make my hair feel heavy or stringy or like there's something on it. So I don't really mind the silicones being in here, even though I do have 4C low porosity hair, and silicones typically aren't really good for that. But I find that these silicones don't really give me that many problems, so I'm good with it. Another product that I got is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. This is going to be the one that repairs and strengthens all types. I did get this product as well as this other Olaplex Bond Smoother. This is the number 6 because that's what my hair lady kind of told me to buy for my hair. I have not tried number 3 yet, and this is the one where you're supposed to use like 2 to 3 times a week if you have damaged like colored hair basically, and you just leave it on for like 10-ish minutes. You can leave it on longer, but I haven't actually tried these yet, so updates to come on this one. However, the Bond Smoother I have tried, and I actually do really like this. I am upset that these little bottles cost $28. That's upsetting. But the Bond Smoother has actually worked for me, and it's a leave-in reparative styling cream which reduces frizz, nourishes, and protects. And honestly, I feel like, because they say this lasts like 72 hours, and I actually believe them, because I have not put this in my hair for a couple of days and I still feel like there's something different about my hair texture. So I do like this Olaplex one. Another one that I have here is a product that I have tried before. It's going to be the Pantene Gold Series Hydrating Butter Cream infused with Argan oil. I love this hair cream, butter cream, whatever you want to call it. It is incredibly nourishing for my hair. Whenever I put this in my hair, I just legitimately feel the difference in the hydration, and it just keeps it in all day long. So because my hair is like this short, I actually do it every single day, because when I wake up it looks terrible and it's flat, so I have to like re-wet it and redefine it every single day. And this is definitely like a step that can't be missed. Like, because I didn't have this because I ran out, I could feel the difference. Like, I'm telling you, this is it. If you want moisture, you have 4C dry hair like me, you need this. Another product that I got is this Design Essentials Natural Hair Almond and Avocado Wash Day Deep Moisture Mask. Wow, that was a lot. One of my friends who is she's bleached her hair several times and is natural, told me to buy a couple of Design Essential products. So I might have gone a little bit overboard and purchased like more than she told me to, but I just figured I want as much hydration and nourishment for my bleached hair as possible, so I went ahead and picked up as many of these as I could. So I've got the conditioning mask here. I also have their leave-in conditioner as well. I haven't opened it because I'm still using up all these other leave-in conditioners that I have. I have their daily moisturizing lotion, which I have used, and so far I like it, but I can't say that I'm like blown away by anything yet. So I mean, it's good, but I'm not like wowed, you know. Another thing that I have is the curl enhancing mousse. Also haven't used this yet because I have another curl enhancing mousse from Aunt Jackie's that I'm using right now. And then the other one that I purchased is their overnight recovery treatment. I have used this a couple of times and I'm still trying to decide on if I like this or not. Sometimes I feel like my hair feels really nice in the morning. Sometimes I feel like it's a little dry. I'm still unsure about how I feel, so we shall see. Oh, we're almost done, guys. And then one more product that I got from them is going to be their curling cream. I haven't started using this either because I still have all these other hair products that I'm trying to get rid of. I've got two oils here. These are both from Aunt Jackie's. I got their Flaxseed Monoi Oil, and then I've got the Grapeseed Avocado. I've never used the flaxseed one yet. However, I do really like the Grapeseed and Avocado oil, and this is great for people with low porosity hair because these are more lighter oils and they're not as heavy. Whereas the flaxseed, I feel like, is a little bit like heavier, so I would use this to do like a hot oil treatment or something, or just leave this with some conditioner in my hair. I would not necessarily put this in my hair every day. And then I just purchased this product from Target today. I've never heard of this brand. It's called Jozy Curls, and this is their Cleanse Hydrating Shampoo. I think this is some South African brand. Yeah, it says it's like from Cape Town, South Africa. I've never heard of this brand. I really wanted like a nice cleansing shampoo, so I decided to just go ahead and pick this up. So hopefully it works for me, guys. I'm not sure. Fingers crossed, because I've been having a lot of issues with shampoo recently. I just feel like they're all leaving my hair like pretty dry. So hopefully this does something for me. So I don't know. Not my purple shampoos though, just normal shampoos, which is weird. Final product that I have here is just your basic Eco Styler gel. Oh, I'm trying to do that hairstyle where you like slick your hair back and it looks all nice and, you know, just sexy. So I went ahead and got some Eco Styler gel because I did not have any here, and I'm really hoping that this works out. I am going to try to film that for you guys. It's going to be my first time, so lots of mistakes will be made, but hopefully it'll be a learning experience for all of us. So yeah, these are all of the products that I got, guys. I really hope you guys just kind of enjoyed this quick haul video that I wanted to do for you guys. Just wanted to quickly share some things that I've been, you know, purchasing, dabbling into for my new bleached hair to keep it healthy and moisturized. Stay tuned for some more, you know, hair care videos from me. But the only way you're gonna do that if you go ahead is if you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and then go ahead and follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _it's Gillyy. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.